Module Overview. Training, development, and performance management are essential functions of human resource management that directly influence an organization's productivity, competitiveness, and long-term sustainability. While recruitment ensures the organization attracts the right talent, it is training and development that equips employees with the skills, knowledge, and competencies required to excel. Performance management, on the other hand, ensures employees are guided, evaluated, and motivated to achieve organizational objectives. This module provides a detailed exploration of these functions, highlighting their interconnection and strategic significance in modern organizations. Employee training. Definition of training. Training is a planned effort by an organization to facilitate employees' acquisition of knowledge, skills, and behaviors required to perform their current job effectively and efficiently. DOI objectives of training. Enhance employee skills and competencies. Increase productivity and operational efficiency. Minimize errors and workplace accidents. Foster employee engagement and motivation. Ensure alignment of employee performance with organizational goals. 10 types of training. On-the-job training (OJT). Employees learn while performing their actual job tasks. Methods: job rotation, coaching, mentoring, shadowing. Off-the-job training. Training conducted away from the workplace. Methods: workshops, seminars, simulations, e-learning, classroom sessions. Technical skills training. Focused on specific technical competencies required for job performance. Soft skills training. Communication, leadership, teamwork, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. Compliance and safety training. Ensures adherence to laws, regulations, and workplace safety protocols. Chart training process. Training needs analysis, TNA, identifying gaps between current and required skills. Designing the training program, setting objectives, choosing content, and selecting delivery methods. Implementation, conducting training sessions using appropriate methodologies. Evaluation, assessing the effectiveness of training using feedback, tests, or on-the-job performance. Employee development. Definition of employee development. Employee development is a continuous process of enhancing employees' competencies, knowledge, and career potential to prepare them for future roles and responsibilities within the organization. DOI objectives of employee development. Prepare employees for higher responsibilities and leadership roles. Promote career growth and progression. Increase employee motivation, satisfaction, and engagement. Enhance organizational capability and succession planning. Foster innovation and adaptability to change. 10 methods of employee development. Coaching and mentoring, personalized guidance to improve skills and performance. Job rotation, exposing employees to different roles to broaden experience. Workshops and seminars, interactive learning sessions to develop skills. E-learning and online courses, flexible digital learning solutions. Action learning projects, real-world projects that develop problem-solving and leadership abilities. Performance management. Definition of performance management. Performance management is a continuous process of planning, monitoring, evaluating, and improving employee performance to ensure alignment with organizational objectives and maximize workforce potential. DOI objectives of performance management. Set clear expectations and measurable goals. Align individual performance with organizational strategy. Identify strengths and areas for improvement. Enhance employee motivation, engagement, and accountability. Support career development and succession planning. 10 components of performance management. Goal setting, establishing SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound objectives. Continuous feedback, providing regular guidance and support to employees. Performance appraisal, formal evaluation of employee performance against predefined standards. Development planning, identifying training and development needs for continuous improvement. Recognition and rewards, acknowledging exceptional performance through incentives and career growth. 4 methods of performance appraisal. Traditional methods, ranking, rating scales, and checklists. Modern methods, 360-degree feedback, management by objectives, MBO, balanced scorecard. Self-appraisal, employees assess their own performance and contributions. Peer review, colleagues provide feedback on performance and teamwork. Strategic link between training, development, and performance management. Integration. Training equips employees with the skills they need to meet performance standards. Continuous improvement. Development initiatives prepare employees for future organizational needs. Employee engagement. Clear performance management systems motivate employees and reduce turnover. Organizational growth. Well-trained and developed employees enhance productivity, innovation, and competitive advantage. Succession planning ensures the organization has capable leaders ready to fill key positions. Challenges in training, development, and performance management. Rapid technological changes requiring constant skill updates. Budgetary constraints limiting training programs. Lack of engagement or participation from employees. Ineffective performance appraisal systems causing bias or demotivation. Difficulty in measuring training effectiveness and return on investment, ROI. Best practices. Align training and development with organizational goals. Conduct regular training needs analysis, TNE. Use blended learning approaches combining on-the-job and off-the-job training. Implement continuous performance feedback systems. Recognize and reward high performance to reinforce desired behaviors. Invest in leadership and soft skills development for long-term organizational success. Conclusion. Module 4 highlights that training, development, and performance management are interdependent functions that drive organizational effectiveness and employee satisfaction. Properly designed training programs, coupled with development initiatives and robust performance management systems, ensure that employees not only perform well in their current roles but are also prepared to meet future challenges. Mastery of this module equips you with the ability to enhance workforce productivity, retain top talent, and contribute strategically to organizational growth.